Well, hello. And so I have a new setup for the mic. Let's see what happens. आवाज कस्तो आउँछ मलाई थाहा छैन किनकि एक्सटर्नलबाट खिच्छ कि इन्टर्नलबाट खिच्छ भन्ने मलाई थाहा छैन. एक्सटर्नलबाट खिच्यो भने चाहिँ आई माइट अपलोड इट. इन्टर्नलबाट खिच्यो भने चाहिँ आई विल नट, किनकि अलिअलि क्यार आवाज आइरहन्छ इन्टर्नलबाट खिचेपछि. अनि इट विल नट बी अ र भ्लग, नट एट अल. अब एक्सटर्नलबाट गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ मेरो आवाज मैले बोलेकै सुनिरहन्छ. सो नट अ बिग प्रब्लम द्याट वान. सो या अब यहाँबाट कलेज गएर अनि त्यहाँबाट क्लिक गर्छु. त्यहाँ गएर हेर्छु कस्तो आउँछ आवाज अनि त्यही अनुसारको क्लिपिङ गरेर हाल्छु. आज इन्डिरो टेस्टिङ गर्नु जाने भनेको केटाहरूले. सो केटिएम इन्डिरो नेपालमा रिलिज भइसक्यो. इन्डिरो 390 अस्ति माइमामा रिलिज भएको. सो बाइकर्स क्याफेमा भइरहेछ. नयाँ मोडल 390 एडभेन्चर 390 को पनि नयाँ मोडल टेस्ट राइडिङ रहेछ. सो आई रियली वान्ट टु ट्राई द्याट वान एक्चुअली. Adventure bike, since I am using a mix of an adventure and just dirt, so I'm a big fan of both of them. Actually a big fan. Like, I have always been a great fan of BMW GS 250. Always been a great fan of Tenere 750, Africa Twin, whatever you name it. But yeah, so I'm broke and I don't really own a great one. I don't really own a great bike, but yeah. It is a great one actually. Good pickup, good power. Like not enough to compete with other 200 segment bikes, but yeah, it is enough power. It is enough to take me anywhere, climb any hill, anything you name it, and it can do it, except for the top speed. It has got good pickup, good brakes, good suspension, actually the best suspension. Good handling too. Well, I'm not sure about others, but I can do a great handling on this one. Kinagi is my other vlogger's friend. He's on college gogo and he was like, so basically I will tell you a story. मलाई चाहिँ ज्योतिषीले said that राम्रोसँग कुदाएन भने लास्ट इयर बिफोर माई बर्थडे घुँडा भाँचिने घुँडै हुने सम्भावना छ भन्थ्यो क्या. अनि लाइक still I ride like a maniac. तर लाइक आई थिङ्क मेरो दशा सकिसक्यो किनकि मैले पनि अलिअलि हेर्छु. अनि मैले हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ मेरो दशा वाज लाइक फिनिस्ड इन चैत्र अस्ति. अनि सो आई स्टिल राइड लाइक अ मेनियाक. And what I was trying to say is, my friends are afraid that I would break my knees by riding fast. I do ride fast always. This friend of mine got a FZ Bullet, Gixxer, MT, and a car, and 2 houses. He's rich, actually rich. So yeah, and both of the brothers have iPhones. I'm not sure about the younger brother, the Kanso one, but yeah, they all have iPhones. Both of them have iPhones. And am I talking? My idea is he's gonna kill me someday. I don't even know where I was. Yeah, so yeah, he tells me to ride slow and sometimes we ride home together. And त्यो टाइममा पनि it's like अलि बिस्तारो चला भन्छ. अनि I have a friend, he's a vlogger vlog गर्नेवाला छ कि प्रोबेबली आज 11 बजे आउँछ त्यसको भ्लग पनि. अनि he's like a crazy starter in our campus group, like a grade 1. Shit, on go. Anyways, I will stop here and tell you the story. What happened was, he's like the craziest rider in the group. And even he was scared while looking at my riding. कसरी कुदाको के गरे हो भनेर he owns the NS, and I was hitting a corner in X-Balls, so you know what might happen. Not again. Kota Pathan. Yeah. Told you about the pickup. Everyone's back. Turns out मेरो power चाहिँ बाइकको power चाहिँ initial नै हुन्छ. Like I don't need to increase the RPM. Like in the dual, like in other any sports bike or naked sports. So yeah, overall it is a good bike. I love this bike, but sometimes I fall down and I broke my brake lever roughly by falling down. Anyways, other than that, I have a few scratches. That's all. So I am like crazy rider, and I love this bike. So yeah, that is it. Let's go. I do. Yes. Let's go. I know. Okay. Let's go. Excuse me. Who the hell is that? You look like an actor, but does not seem like he knows how to act. I have reached. But let's go. I'm not sure आवाज कस्तो आइरहेको छ किनकि I never tried this. अनि a friend of mine has said कि इयरफोनबाट चाहिँ हुन्छ अरे. माइक सेटअप चाहिँ मैले इयरफोनबाटै गरेँ. The camera, the phone, of course. Like, what is there even? I'm not rich, so I don't have a camera. I got a digital one, but the quality, and it does not shoot in ultra wide or wide or anything. It just shoots in normal 1x 1x में खिच्छ अनि so not so good, and it is old, probably about 10-12 years old, so not so good quality as well. Yeah, that's the reason I'm shooting it with this camera, and except for that it is a digital camera. Sonyको 5x zoom वाला optical zoom रहेछ, but I did not know it had optical zoom. Quality राम्रै आउँछ हैन, आउनु चाहिँ तर पनि it's like कि नपुगे जस्तो खालको के क्वालिटी. लाइक त्यसको स्क्रिन त एलसिडी हो, सो केही हुनेवाला छैन त्यसमा स्क्रिनमै पनि, बट फोनमै लगेर हेर्दाखेरि पनि क्वालिटी इज नट द्याट ग्रेट. डिजिटल क्यामेराज आर लाइक त्यस्तै सबै. इट ह्याड अलवेज बिन लाइक द्याट. सो द्याट गाइ वाज लाइक very positive zombie days. Sorry if that sounded racist, but yeah, we did that. Like we कोट्याएर बोलाएर अनि पछाडि देखाइदिरहेको क्या अनि ब्रो त हेरे क्या दिन्छ एकदिन त Where was he even trying to go? And this guy, that Omni van. But you guys don't know the rules of the lanes or something. Where are you going? Okay, I hit a neutral today. Came out otherwise. Yes, I'm a Boston neutral line. Try to run them for you, but as a boy, it's 43. I'll be reaching there by then. Must go. Whenever I am vlogging, this dude is like every day, whenever I am vlogging. अरू दिन भयो भने चाहिँ त्यसलाई एकैछिनमा छोडिदिन्छ क्या. Today I am vlogging and see झालो बस्नु घाममा तातेर बस्नु पऱ्यो. And plus today I don't on a hoodie. Okay, that was going to be that way. So yeah. Now don't tell me about the rules in the comment section, but yeah. Yeah, baby. Black one. I was a confused kid. Here is a हेलमेट पनि भेगाएको. आई मेडर एकचोटि बाटोमा अनि दिदीले हेलमेट किनेर आउनु भएको रहेछ भेगाएको. अनि द्याट इज द रिजन आई रिमेम्बर भेगाएको हेलमेट भनेर. अनि आई सो द्याट गर्ल इन द स्कुटर अनि आई वाज लाइक इज द्याट दिदी. सो Turns out she is not, and turns out there is a friend at my door. कता हो साथी? कता हो साथी? हाँ? Thank you for that little gap. So that was a friend, a close friend actually. Same class, came some more. We sometimes drink tea together. So yeah, he's a really good friend. A cool one. Takes up much of my personal space, but yeah. He's a good person overall. But still. I'm not sure if he will let me show his face on my vlog. But yeah, if he does not, then I will have to blur him out. What the hell was that? And the must Ugura is editing. I don't want to edit. Like, it's a raw vlog. If all the external I guess I will have to edit because the sound of this thing where is that guy even trying to go? And they push like hell. Still plays a micro. Okay, 220 guy. What is and I'm not sure why. I don't understand the concept of hazard, man. Like, what is such an emergency that you need to turn on hazard and ride in a speed of a donkey? What is the purpose of that? Like, turn on hazard and be like a Katsua or something? I don't know. Okay. Not gonna race. Still, I'm gonna go. Because why not? Let's go. Sports UV. What's the driver for the 5 to 10? I guess he's planning. I don't know. Maybe he's not, maybe he is. So yeah, 160 and 160. I don't understand also sometimes because group created NS 200, then group created N160, and then again group created NS 150. Like, what is the purpose of that? It has a 125 as well, I think it has, and I really hope it is not, because NS has always been like a class
22 model without the limiter. You know how it was. Also, I need to just wait 30 seconds extra also. And then I don't have much of a problem. Anyways, is there a jam? Yeah, what have I even asked him? There is always a jam there. What is this? MD? There's a carrier in an MD. Like cruise. I want to go to touring on an MD. It is a comfortable bike, a grade 1. Tail swings up. Anyway, this guy already came in front of me. Sometimes I look at other riders and think, do I even ride fast? But they are always in front of me. I'll be overtaking them and coming next and all that, which impossible. Only they would be in front of me all of a sudden, like randomly. 52. So anyways, I'll